Don't have me on the video. Tell me I break that up. You don't know how to eat it.
Oh, Jill got one.
Girl, ain't
Congratulations.
Yeah, eat it. Ooh, Jesus.
That's a lot of noise.
Oh, Mom, we did it at the same time.
Wait for me. Wait for me.
Okay, we'll wait for you.
When we eat it, actually.
Okay, hurry up.
You hurry
Jayla,
up.
what are you about to do?
I'm about to make that noise that y'all do.
Okay, hold on. It's too late now. We already did
What's
it.
up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Taj. Got the daughters over here, 2 of them at least. And they wanted to do a seafood boil with me, so that's what we're gonna have today, you guys. Let's just go ahead and quickly bow our heads and pray real quick, and then we'll go ahead and get started. Everybody, Father God, we thank you for this food right now. We ask that you cover it with your blood, keep from any sickness, illness, or disease. In Jesus' name, let it be of good nourishment. Let it digest properly, oh God. Bless the hands that purchased this food as well as prepared this food. In Jesus' name, amen. Stop playing with me.
I don't know.
Stop playing with
It's
me.
when I bow my head, I don't want them to like see like my face.
Okay. All right.
Okay,
so,
we can go now.
Yeah.
Can
So we got,
can
of
I
course.
get a cucumber?
It tastes like lemon.
It's like lemon. So we got some cucumbers over here. We got some king crab. Let's take a thumbnail. Got some jumbo black tiger shrimp, lemons, potatoes, corn. And I didn't make a sauce, but it's just the seasoning that was used to prepare the food. And some, I think some Old Bay and some Louisiana black seasoned salt on top. Okay? Quick thumbnail.
Okay.
I can't remember which one is mine. I know this one is, but I can't remember which one of these is. This probably is it. I don't know.
What I'm gonna do?
You can get crab leg.
Oh, we got own?
Yeah, Jalisa. I think that one was mine.
Which one?
I don't even know. And
Thank you so much.
you're welcome.
This is good. The cucumber good.
Yeah, it is.
Get in there.
Am I done?
Hold on.
Wait, I want to green my teeth. Hold on. I ain't gonna smell anyway.
It doesn't matter because you're not. If you're gonna have something on it. I mean, you wanted to do it in this shirt, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to take one of mine.
Oh, an egg.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm just gonna break all of this up. Oh, let me taste it.
I think I'm doing it right.
It was well worth it.
I didn't really get the crab. Mommy, your arms are covering my face.
Sorry. But I'm gonna go in with the shrimp.
Not a big fan.
Not a big fan of what?
Crab sticks.
Well, you can leave it. You wanna give me half back?
No.
Oh, okay.
She hungry.
Exactly.
I don't know if I can see it, but that's
I'm
the
doing
shrimp.
this right. It is supposed to be like them.
I can't get the freaking crab.
She eating everything. Hold on.
Are we doing a don't wipe your mouth challenge? Yes.
No.
Yes. Let's make it interesting.
Okay.
Let's make it interesting.
I was about to wipe my mouth too.
Yep. Nobody's wiping their mouth, so dang. We're doing it. Don't wipe your mouth. We don't have any paper towels right here either, which is great. And I haven't even got myself together, ready for work. So I'm good. I could do it, no problem.
Dang, there wasn't no meat in here.
So as you guys know, my birthday is coming up. So this is like day 1 of what, the celebration? This video was recorded Sunday, but it'll get posted like Tuesday. Oh, it's Monday.
Mom.
Forgot the kids are having school today. Anyway.
I can't get this out. That's why we need the scissors.
I'm finna just be
You
picking
better
up
work hard.
everything, y'all.
What'd you say?
You better work hard. Get it out. Yep. You better eat that crab leg when you're on my plate. Don't play with me.
No, playing.
Well, you better eat it. Hope y'all can see this.
As y'all
The
know,
food is
it's
still sizzling.
it's Naya, so
Man,
you know I love me some shrimp.
eggs good too.
Ooh.
don't know. I might take my jacket off. I feel like I might have to.
Dang, I can't edit this. Can you close that door, Adam?
Oh my God, Ma.
Naya, just check it out. I can't edit the video.
Ew.
They said it was divine.
They always say that.
They
I
got
was
that
about to
green
do
showing on my
something.
screen, Jello. What, double dip?
Mm-mm.
Oh my God, what are you about to do?
I didn't want this idiot, so I was trying to slap it out.
Absolutely not. I didn't bit off of it.
I didn't bite off it though.
Oh, girl.
I just stood in. Swap them out.
That look good too.
Mm-hmm.
Can you get them away?
Mm-hmm.
These are good.
You say we get one cucumber?
I feel like, well,
That's yellow cucumber.
it's not good.
Oh, heck one. Right. That means you're not getting any more. That's all I cut up.
I'm thirsty. Oh, you can get water, right?
J-Lo, you can drink. It says don't wipe your mouth challenge.
Okay.
But can you look like, can you do?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I think I just
Oh,
ate
man.
an onion.
Oh, man. I was by myself.
Jill looks so lost. Oh, my heart.
Oh, hard. Why?
Oh my God.
Ouch.
I'm gonna. Right, why do it like ain't no meat in here?
Oh, you can see through
Why
it.
do it like ain't no meat in here?
Oh, mine got stuck to the open thingy.
It ain't no meat in there.
Man. I want to.
I'm on to what?
I didn't want to bite it, but see, this why I don't like these.
You better fight for that.
My second
We gonna,
cucumber. So
hold on.
this is my last cucumber. So
Tell about stop playing with me.
I'm not playing.
How y'all like the butter sauce that's in here though?
good.
I don't taste it.
I taste it.
If you suck the shrimp or anything you eating, you should be able to taste it.
I sucked the shrimp.
How many shrimp have you had?
My second one.
Because you know, she love to go in on the shrimp.
I'm sorry, but
My God.
can you just leave the shrimp to me?
I don't
No,
understand.
you like the egg. That's
Okay.
the best part.
Let me
How
take my
many eggs
two.
have you had? Yeah, y'all ain't talking to the people. How y'all doing?
I'm good.
As y'all know, I'm in middle school, so
Y'all know my birthday was October 1st.
you late. Like
She
that's
like, well,
that's
the other video just got posted, so.
Well, tell me happy birthday again.
I mean, I'm a little wish on
Oh,
birthday.
wait, don't tell me happy birthday no more, because it's not October no more. You don't got to.
I'm touching the onions. Ugh.
Now eat the onion.
I already ate one. It's just.
Forgot about these lemons. Where my cucumber at?
Me too.
And then you dip it.
Like you all came to see me eat because so
So crowded.
because you all don't normally sit here and, eat with me.
I already ate the small one, so I'm going with this one. It's kind of
But-
hard.
I haven't had seafood in a minute.
No,
And this is so freaking delicious.
it's making me mad.
You're making me mad.
Oh. Oh, I'ma just wait.
Mm,
I could have got that.
got what?
That meat out. What's that one? Ooh, yeah. Oh my god.
See, this why I'm just stick to the eggs.
No, you're not.
What's this? Oh my god.
You're about to get out
Why?
because you're not eating.
I am.
Yeah, you're eating crab legs.
It's hard. I don't know how people can.
That's not funny.
I don't know how people can do this. This why we need them scissors.
No.
Stop eating my eggs, Mom.
Anybody got nothing in their mouth, huh?
Nope.
No.
Apparently.
You'll
We
see
not
it when you
eating
edit
right.
it anyway.
I guess we're not eating right, so I'm gonna eat right. Hold on. Dun-dun, 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 dun-dun.
Look at that meat
Alright,
right there.
you're supposed to be. Excuse me.
Right that way.
So we supposed to have stuff in our mouth?
I mean, this kind of saucy.
You said it's kind of saucy.
You all want arm right here?
Sorry, Mom.
I can't do this. This is why we need the scissors. It's hurting. It hurts.
You know, probably when we gonna get some in our mouth, or eat the corn.
Get your piece of corn and be quiet.
Hey, Jayla. Let me get my 2 eggs before you eat my 2.
So, Dame, this is not the don't wipe your mouth challenge, because I'll do that.
So we can wipe our mouth?
It's nothing to wipe now yet. Obviously, that's why it's not the challenge.
What are you doing?
I'm getting my potato. I gotta get my 2 eggs.
I don't even do the seafood stuff, but
Oh, no. Oh, get you some corn.
I wanna give me and try this.
Besides, they sing enough of my facial expressions. Doing videos with y'all. Like, you know what? They just too much for themselves. Oh, excuse me.
It's corn good.
Oh, yeah.
You sound like eating with Krill. In seafood boils, I see they be using these things. Like scoop out their meat.
Yeah. I mean, all you need is something pointy. No matter what you use.
Gosh, it's egg. Ooh. Like a cup.
I'm so like, what is that?
Scooper.
That was an egg?
I didn't squish.
Gotta eat this so, what's it called? That's your last one, Ma.
Well, you gotta. No, it's not. First of all, my first one.
Jayla, let me get 2 cucumbers, I guess.
We do too.
No,
We
you don't.
We get one.
Oh, oops. Oh wait, what you mean?
Those are mine.
So you
That's
get
what
like
that
4?
mean. Right, half.
Oh.
Don't you dare.
I don't want this one.
I'm trying to think, like, why my eggs gone?
Jayla.
Don't get them out.
I was just gonna get done right there.
No, you weren't. I think it's the last one.
Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. Are we
You
still
still have
doing
quite
this
a bit.
challenge or no?
Why?
Because it's so much on chin.
You ain't got to wipe it off anyway with.
And if we were doing
Have
the
the sauce over
challenge,
there for a reason.
Mommy lost because she just wiped her mouth.
No, I don't wipe. Girl, I don't do that.
I
What wiping with?
You did
Your
this.
hand.
You still can wipe your mouth with your hand.
So anyway,
You
like I
lost.
said, we weren't doing it anyway. I said that a while ago.
Those potatoes are good though. They are good.
Mm-hmm. Wait,
So
can you see
anyway.
the food?
Yeah.
But anyway, you guys. Ain't nobody offered y'all none.
Offer what?
Y'all offered them a shrimp.
Oh,
Oh, we got
let me
offer
get my
food?
honors.
Oh, we got offered them food.
Oh, well, get your own food.
Here you go.
I can't even see how it come up.
I want this shrimp too. So
You're gonna eat that one. Why didn't you already put it on plate?
I'm drained.
look at it.
Really? You trying? For what?
This food.
Eat your shrimp. Already?
Yes.
But you didn't eat the crab leg. You didn't give me
I
that.
ate 2.
I did too.
Yeah, my
First corn.
You got something else?
No.
You got meat in there. That's meat.
Oh, well.
Oh, well, eat it. I don't want that. You got meat in this one, too. Break that up. Don't have me on the video. Tell me I break that up. You don't know how to eat it.
Oh, Jayla got one.
Girl, that ain't that.
Congratulations.
You got it. Ooh, Jesus.
That's a lot of noise.
Oh, Mom, we did it at the same time.
Wait for me. Wait for me.
Okay, we'll wait for you.
When we eat it, actually.
Okay, hurry up.
You hurry
Jayla,
up.
what are you about to do?
I'm about to make that noise that y'all do.
Okay, hold on. It's too late now. We already did it.
Jaleesa.
Y'all gonna do it again, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hold up.
Hurry up, man. Come on.
Jaleesa,
You playing with
please don't play with me. I have things to do. You know that.
Come on.
Like, I shouldn't have to say that. Like, for real. I can't edit the video. I mean, I can, but not this one.
I don't know how I'm supposed to make noise with this.
I don't either. But, still.
I keep forgetting about this lemon, man.
Oh, yeah, me
It's
too.
a shell in my mouth.
Oh, you said Ian?
Yeah.
Oh.
You don't know how to eat the onion.
Oh,
The onion with my shrimp.
Sour. I want another potato. I want a small potato, though.
You just get that potato, your hands all over it.
I don't want it. It's too big.
Well, break it up.
What's these called? Ticker shrimps.
Tiger.
I'm just
Right.
saying.
I should know.
All those things are poking.
Are they?
Yes, that's the end.
So you like school, Jella?
Yes, I actually do.
Jella and Jaleesa are on basketball team. They're on the basketball team.
Lisa. I'm just saying.
I don't like you.
Right.
I say that to everybody now.
I'm gonna eat all the onions. There you go.
I keep forgetting about.
They eating
These
Jella. Stop doing that. Playing the dang on water.
It's not water.
That's what it seemed like.
Like
I'm not gonna reuse my seasoning.
I keep
see, I
missing
made
that.
that.
Oh my god. How y'all like school? Oh, wait. Do you got any kids watching your show?
Yeah, some.
How do y'all like school?
Comment down below. Yeah. Yay.
Good for you.
I got my first good one. Y'all want it? I'll share it.
Almost.
I'll
Oh,
share it.
who's that?
Oh, there you go.
I got my first good one.
Oh, that's a good now.
Mm-hmm.
I want to try it.
It does look good. You want to try what?
To get a perfect one. Can I try for you, Mom?
No. No, you gave up your chance. I don't want you playing with my crab leg.
I'm not playing with your crab leg.
You're just playing with the shrimp.
I wasn't even playing with the shrimp. Okay, cause what I gonna do with these eggs?
I'm going to eat them. You can have one. Although you ate more than Naya, but now you're going to eat more shrimp
I
than
don't
you.
even know how.
So.
I ate probably like 5
Eggs?
Well, I made 2 for her. So I made 3 for you.
I
I made
overate.
the rest for me.
I overate. But I saw nobody was eating them. So.
That's what we started out with actual meat.
I was just thinking, maybe they don't want them.
Right.
Oh my god.
Right.
That's what I thought. When I first ate it, I was like, oh my god. But I love hard-boiled eggs. What's they called?
Mm-hmm.
I love hard-boiled eggs. Like, I used to eat them in the morning over the summer.
Ew. I'm sorry.
I love them too.
I want another corn.
Get on the corner, Naya.
Right.
Okay.
Let me see.
Jella got corn too.
I got another one too.
Mm-hmm.
Nope, not move. Gotcha.
Yeah, my shrimp right
So
there.
again, my birthday is in 7 days, and by the time you all see this, it'll be probably in 6 or 5. But count down, baby.
Whew.
Count down.
I need some water.
You're getting older.
Hope you all like this video.
and don't forget to subscribe.
I hope so.
Hit the bell.
Yeah, it was
And,
like a little over the place. We weren't really talking to you guys.
Yeah, and don't forget to like the smash the like button and
Hit the bell.
hit the bell. There you go. Don't mind me.
Ooh, Ma.
Hmm?
You know what I want to try?
Well,
Lobster. Wait,
lobster's good.
I think that's what I'm talking about. Oh my god.
I didn't have any.
What?
Sorry.
What? Right, playing the water.
I wonder why I put my finger to my lip. I'm like, oh my god.
Right, playing.
That's too much onion. Got one onion. That's all I can get.
Mm-hmm.
But you saw me say y'all.
Mm-hmm.
No, I wasn't talking about you. I was talking about this girl.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I'm sorry.
Just making a mess. Just don't know what to do with yourself.
You gotta go all out.
Long as we still had
But
some rice.
some rice.
Mm,
See, y'all eat sausages. I don't.
You don't.
I can eat I can put sausage with it. Next time y'all do a bowl with me.
Wait, what?
It's hard.
Ain't it like breakfast sausages? But like real sausages? Like, and like, wait, like, you know, like,
You mean real? Do
like,
we eat fake breakfast sausage?
I don't know. I'm talking about, like, when it's
Like
already,
Oak
like,
Ridge.
it's in the package, but it's like this.
Right, the right. Those sausages.
Real
Jaleesa.
You gotta drown it. I'm drowning.
Look at this corn, it's so yellow.
I'm gonna say about messy. But anyway, I hope you guys like this video. This video is like
It's a good video.
Crazy.
Hey, okay.
I'm getting all messy.
And you got sour. So
Dang. Trying to pick up something. Did I? I don't think I did. Yeah. Yeah, season.
that seasoning is good. Good. Cause Jerry don't normally do the boils, so if she says good,
That means it's good.
right?
Because I would have said nothing. It was nasty. But nah.
Now I get to have king crab with Nana too.
What?
Now I get to have crab with Nana too.
Oh my God.
I'm feeling great.
Okay, good.
It's a wrap.
No.
I'm talking jello.
Top of my chin. Girl, I keep feeling coming down on my chin.
How many minutes is that? 30.
Yeah,
No, I say 28.
That's 30.
Ew. I'm sorry.
Hey, okay. I'm gonna give me a YouTube channel, y'all.
Yeah, I am too.
It ain't gonna be soon. It's gonna just give it some time.
It's gonna be on Christmas, y'all. I'm gonna post my first video on Christmas.
I gotta wait, cause my phone is pretty broke.
Broken.
Like super broke. So when I get
Pump my mama up. Pump up. How
Hold on, hold on.
so like what's he talking about?
She don't know.
have my okay, I'm gonna ask you guys to do a favor for Christmas. What y'all saying over there? No, cause I'm tired of people doing that.
Girl, shut up.
But what y'all saying over there? I wanna know. Is it a dirty secret?
No. Why would she be telling me one?
Exactly. Come on now.
Can I get your last cucumber?
Get it.
Okay.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Let me do what I do. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
No, you funny.
Yeah, that's good.
Don't
I'm
touch
not sure what you're talking about, but okay.
Some up. The
How much this?
I said when you do this.
Oh, yeah.
That's a lot.
Oh, let me use lemon. I need another
Let me
lemon.
use some lemon too.
Hold up, we're gonna do it together, Joe.
I thought y'all, one of them ate more than one of those Play-Dohs.
Ready, Joe?
You got a big one.
Yeah, I know. Ready, Joe?
They're not going to eat much dinner.
He's about to grab that my.
Yeah. It's okay. Right. You get your hand out of my water.
I'm sorry.
It's not water, ma.
Hey, for real.
It's butter sauce, which makes it even worse. Because my anticipation on was to keep it. Now I'm not sure. Oh my God.
What happened?
You know what?
That door.
Oh my God.
It's okay, Mommy. I'm sorry I took the last snap. I didn't have too many
That's okay, though.
snaps.
Back
In
at
the
it.
best anyway. Got the lemon on there. I mean.
Oh, I'm
There's
so wait.
an onion on there.
Okay,
Trying to
this is my
find
last
some
shrimp. I
onions.
gotta make it. Gotta pump it up.
Here we go.
I need the lemon.
Ain't that? Pump it up. Pump it up. That's spritz.
Yeah.
Oh my God, my lemon.
But yeah, I'm gonna have me a YouTube channel. Probably next year. Like
Yeah.
in the new year.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, a lot of lemon.
Oh my God. But
Dip. A little bit more lemon. Oh my God.
You getting full, Jello?
Nope.
You probably been full anyway.
Mm-hmm. They ain't no getting full. I've been full.
You gonna have enough room for dinner?
Of course not.
You don't eat much.
That's why I'm eating all of this now.
I can do it. I have one more crab leg left and
For me.
cucumber.
Girl, no, and you either.
I don't even-
Cause you right, I know you know. I know you don't want it. You're not gonna play with it either.
So, since you took my crab legs, can I get your corn?
Yes, please eat it.
So I thought you was been full.
I know.
Why? You wanted it? You don't need it. You ain't gonna have room for dinner either.
But you can eat dinner.
You gonna eat dinner too, then?
It's the biggest piece that you all seen this whole time. I think at
And
one point.
Mommy.
Jaleesa piece.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
I'm getting another piece too. Halfway.
Another piece of what?
King crab, man. What else?
Know what else mean? And where? From where?
Mm-hmm.
Cause not out of that bowl. I mean, that
Look at my hair. Guess who
all
did
right.
it? Me.
Just fine.
Me. I did it. No, I just said I did my hair.
Can I
did my
get
hair too.
scissors?
I did all of our hair. I did my hair, my mama's hair, and my sister's hair.
Okay.
Not just for the video. She did my hair yesterday.
And I did her hair for school
Oh my God.
for the week.
2 weeks.
I mean,
Well,
yes.
yeah, 2 weeks.
Right.
Mother.
That's most important.
Oh my God.
Please.
I'm sorry.
Jello, your
crab.
elbow. Like, I have no room. Like,
I'm sorry.
That's how I felt at the
I'm
beginning.
just enjoying this corn. Like, I hear y'all, but I don't.
right.
Oh, look at that. Oh, sorry.
So, if you guys don't mind, please go ahead and click on my Shades of Tosh channel. It's going to be a video. Maybe like, I'm not sure, right here or right here. But go ahead and click on it. It's a channel more of personally. It's a more personalized channel. I'm not really sure everything I'm going to have on. You are. Excuse me, you're really messy. You on your arm. It's not funny.
It is.
It's not. It's not.
It's not.
It's not.
I didn't even mean it like that, but seriously,
It's not.
it's not.
It's not. Swirl, swirl, swirl. I think my plate.
Yeah. I'm gonna save my claws. I'm gonna save my claws.
I want one.
No.
I didn't get one.
You want potato? No! You don't wanna play with my food. Get that out of there. You don't want that.
What you
Stop
talking
playing
about?
with me. You don't want nothing else out of there.
I was getting this stuff.
I know, but it's done now. Ooh. And I will be rinsing this out that she dropped on the floor and putting it back in my butter sauce. Yeah.
Oh.
Now get up and give me a paper towel.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
Woo.
Shut up!
What's summer?
Right there.
Mommy.
That's not funny.
Hold up.
So I don't need all three.
We emptied
Four.
this dish. Oh,
Give her one.
hold on.
I need two, actually.
You just need one to get you through this video. I mean, you need to hurry up because the video's over. I appreciate you guys so much for clicking on this video. I really do not like to have to holler in my videos when the kids do videos with me, y'all. But if y'all have children, then y'all understand. Sometimes you just have to.
Too good to be true.
I mean, unless you're going to have, like, straight edits. Like, who wants to do all of that? Not me. So, I'm hopefully not going to edit any of this video out. Because y'all know I have kids. Y'all know I have a husband. Y'all don't see him in here. So, y'all know y'all probably going to have to hear him somewhere around the video. Amongst other things or whatever. So, you know. But,
Now you can keep that.
did you buy it for that? Or lick over there or something?
I don't like that. I don't like that.
I'm getting ready to go to work, so we're going to go ahead and end this video. I love and appreciate each and every last one of y'all. I thank you guys so much for clicking on this video.
So much.
So much.
Okay.
But anyway, if you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell so that you'll be notified each and every last video that I post. Don't forget to check out my Shades of Tosh channel. I got some videos coming up this week on that channel too. I know I keep saying it, but I promise you I do. You don't know what I'm gonna say, so
Yes,
I'm not
I do.
sure why
Yes,
you're
I
doing
do.
that. No, you don't.
Keep going.
Anyway, don't forget to check out our family channel either, which is Tina Dynasty _ and my ASMR channel. Hey, my ASMR channel got on that one video when I did the Fanta
Pop.
Fizz, yeah, with just a bowl of ice and pop. It got over 600 views, and I just did not think that was going to happen. That's the only one that got that amount of views or whatever. But yes, go please check it out. And comment down below. Maybe, check out. It's only a few videos on that channel or whatever. But go just check it out or whatever. Let me know some things that you might want to see me eat or drink. Or if you want to hear some tingling sounds, comment down below what you want me to do. This one over here hasn't scratched my head in like 2 months. So, I was thinking about a dandruff video. And you said that before, whatever. Don't do it.
Oh my God.
But yeah, we still haven't got around to doing so. But yeah, like I said, don't forget to click the like button, the thumbs up, or whatever on this video. I'm tired of rambling. So, I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.
Bye-bye.